In honor of Pride Month starting yesterday, I wanted to have a quick conversation about how traditionally masculine men oftentimes feel threatened by sexual and gender minority men and women. And part of this is due to something called categorization or identity threat, where oftentimes men will feel as though associating with or voicing support for people belonging to sexual and gender minorities will actually make them look like less of a man by affiliation. And when it comes to categorization and identity threat, this is oftentimes why hate crimes happen. For example, when a straight man is asked out by a gay man, this is oftentimes why a hate crime follows that, and oftentimes it's in the form of extreme violence because that man's masculinity is perceived as being under threat. Now, associating with sexual and gender minority individuals and voicing support for sexual and gender minority individuals does nothing to a man's masculinity. However, oftentimes it is perceived as threatening his masculinity, and as a result, this is oftentimes why men will resist supporting and or affiliating with sexual and gender minority men and women as an attempt to preserve his potentially threatened masculinity.